Hi there, and today I'm going to share with you an amazing little tip of how to clean your tarnished silver jewellery in just 5 minutes using everyday household items. So these are the household items that you will need. So you need a piece of aluminium foil and a bowl, or I'm using here a measuring jug just so that I can see how much water I'm going to be adding to the cleaning solution, and the all-important bicarbonate of soda, and then a jug of freshly boiled water. So obviously I'm just using a kettle here. So first I'm going to take my piece of aluminium foil and I'm going to use the shiny side up, and I'm going to place that at the bottom of my bowl or jug. And then I'm going to use the bicarbonate of soda, and I'm going to use a generous heaped teaspoon, some boiling water. I'm going to use about 200 ml roughly. I'm going to use a teaspoon just to give that a little stir, and you should see some little bubbles. So I've got some pieces of jewellery here that are looking very tarnished and dirty, and they're ready for a good clean. So I've got this ring here which has some little cubic zirconias, and there's some areas on this ring that are really hard to reach or clean with a polishing cloth. So I shall be really interested to see how that comes out. And I've got a lovely little Celtic brooch here, which again on the back for some reason has become very discoloured and tarnished. And then I have these long silver amethyst earrings. Again, the stem of this earring has become very dull and silver. And then I've got this silver chain, which is something I would wear every day, so obviously gets very tarnished quickly, and also it's quite hard to clean with a polishing cloth. So I'm going to start with the cubic zirconia ring, silver ring, and just have a look at it before it goes in. I can't wait to see how that's going to look, and I'm going to place it on top of the foil. So now I'm going to put the Celtic brooch in, and next I'm going to put in the amethyst earrings. And then lastly is the silver chain, which is looking really dull and dirty. And I'm actually going to just use the teaspoon to separate all those items so that they're on the foil, but they're not touching one another. So I've waited 5 minutes and I'm ready to take out my jewellery from the cleaning solution. So I'm going to start with that lovely crystal ring. And wow, what a difference that's made. I can see all those beautiful sparkly stones now, and it's really bright white sort of polished silver again. It's looking like new. And then the Celtic brooch, that was really tarnished, especially on the back. And if we have a little look at this now, it's looking really nice and shiny on the front, and then the back is looking beautiful and bright silver again. Remember before it was really dull and dark and discoloured, so that's looking amazing. And then I'm going to just take out the little amethyst earrings. I'm using the tweezers here just because I don't want to burn my fingers, but you could use a fork or a teaspoon as well. So just looking at those earrings, they look brilliant as well. Really nice bright silver again. It's really refreshed those earrings. And then lastly was the chain, which was looking very dull and dark, and now is looking like new again, nice and bright and shiny again. So I'm really pleased with how those things have turned out, and it's such an easy thing to do at home. And I just sometimes use another cloth, a dry cloth, just to give them a nice little rinse and then a little polish, and you could even use a silver polishing cloth. So I hope you found this video really useful, and I hope you get to do some cleaning yourself with all your jewellery at home. And I shall look forward to seeing you the next time. If you've enjoyed this video or found it useful, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and I'll look forward to seeing you again really soon. And bye for now.